Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So today we'll discuss about editor. We have already discussed about the VI editor and I think you are familiar with this now. Even I am familiar with the VI editor, but there are other editor too like a Nano, but I am not familiar with this. I found it crazy to use. So but sometime what's happened sudo vi sudo, okay, this file is opening in a Nano editor, okay, and I don't want to use this. So first exit from this, okay. I have exited. Now how to change it to Nano to vi editor, okay. So we are having a command update alternative config editor. Once you hit the enter key, it will give you options like Nano ed, Nano vim basic of vim tiny. So you can use priority is 40 minus 100 40 30 15. Press enter to keep the current choice asterisk, okay. So we cannot change here, we have to just put the 3 or 4, okay. So I am putting 3, hitting the enter key. Let's see what now it's showing. Okay, earlier star was on 0, now it is moved to 3. Now my default editor is vim basis, okay. So we can quit it, okay. Control C. Let me clear my screen. Again we do vi sudo thing, vi sudo. Okay, perfect. Now it has opened in a VI editor. Earlier it was opening in a Nano editor. So this how you can change your editor preference and accordingly you can use. I am very much familiar with the VI editor, but I am not familiar with the Nano because in entire experience I have used VI editor only. So that's why I am preferring VI editor only, and whenever I see Nano editor, I use that command to change that config thing. So every file will open in a VI editor only. I will put that command in a description. You can copy it, use it, learn more. See you in the next video.